Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Young or old, we love our hair, don't we? Hair condition plays a deciding role in styling your look. Unfortunately, hair loss is a problem that many people suffer from. There can be several factors behind hair loss, such as environmental effects, aging, too much stress, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, genetic factors, etc. There are about 100,000 strands of hair on your scalp, and it is considered very normal to lose 50 to 100 strands a day. But when you start losing more than that, it's time for you to take some action so it doesn't progress to baldness or bald spots. Many readily available ingredients can be used to treat hair loss at home. 1. Hair oil massage. The first step that you can take to reduce hair loss is to massage your scalp with appropriate hair oil. Proper hair and scalp massage will increase blood flow to the hair follicles. It will also promote relaxation and reduce feelings of stress. You can use hair oils like coconut or almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, amla oil, or others. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to the base oil for better and faster results. 2. Fenugreek. Fenugreek, also known as methi, is highly effective in treating hair loss. Fenugreek seeds contain hormone antecedents that enhance hair growth and help rebuild hair follicles. They also contain substances that stimulate hair growth. Soak 1 cup of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, grind them to make a paste. Apply the paste to your hair and cover with a shower cap. After about 40 minutes, rinse your hair. Follow this remedy every morning for a month. 3. Onion juice. Onion juice helps treat hair loss due to its high sulfur content, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles and helps regenerate hair follicles. Extract the juice of 1 onion by grating it and then strain it. Apply the juice directly onto the scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off. Finally, shampoo your hair. Repeat this procedure 2 or 3 times a week for several weeks. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that directly promote healthy hair growth. Regular use can also relieve scalp itching, reduce scalp redness and inflammation, add strength and luster to hair, and alleviate dandruff. Both aloe vera gel and juice will work. 5. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in protein and essential fats that promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. When applied to the hair, coconut milk provides quick results. Apply the milk thoroughly onto the scalp and into your hair. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and then shampoo your hair. To make the treatment more effective, you can mix black pepper and powdered fenugreek seeds to the coconut milk before using it. 6. Licorice root. The mollifying properties of licorice roots open the pores, soothe the scalp, and help get rid of irritations like dry flakes. This remedy is good for dandruff, hair loss, and baldness. Add 1 tablespoon of ground licorice root to 1 cup milk with a 1/4 teaspoon saffron. Mix it thoroughly. Apply the paste on bald patches at bedtime and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash your hair. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.